In a corner of your finger. I'm scared. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Harder. Maybe more angry, but watch out your tongue. Sorry, messy. That's right. Just don't cut yourself. It's fun, but when you have to do many coconut, you wouldn't like it. When I was little, I mean not so little, teenager. When we want to cook food, like mom cooks for us, and the best, of course, the curry soup, you have to have fresh coconut milk. And because we're a big family, we have to make many. Like, here, I want to cook green curry, for example, tonight. Like, oh, here, go coconut. 3 coconuts, 4 coconuts.
Maybe not tonight.
Me and my brother have to do it. Like, we're not one of them make the best because of fresh ingredients,
How much? And half to go.
And hit on top. Like this. It will come. Yeah, harder. Yeah, see? It will peeling off, you see? Actually, when you know what trick is peeling off. See? Harder.
Oh.
I'll let you finish it. Harder. It's almost there. Yeah.
So continue here.
Harder. Yeah, it's good there. Okay, you want to put in the car? Use the knife to put between the crack and peel it. Put the knife in here, then you can open it and twist the knife. Yeah.
No, that's it.
Okay. See, is it sweet or not? I tried it.
Did I have the mask?
Is it sweet at all? No?
Yeah, nice.
Is that good?
I like it.
You can, if you like, you drink, and then we cut them in half, and then we're gonna shred them. We'll sit on this tool. And you shred it like that. Not up and down, but push it down. It's gonna take some time. We're making curry. Today we have Penang chicken. Yeah, and we have a green curry chicken. Yeah. So when we make Penang here, we have a pea eggplant and the beans. Usually myself, because I'm local, I'm Thai, and I love pea eggplant, I will do only pea eggplant. But I'm afraid sometimes tourists doesn't like the pea eggplant because the bitterness.
Oh, okay.
So I add some beans for you in case, that.
I love this one.
Yeah. Oh, you like it? And then I feel cool. Because I love it. Because a lot of people said, oh, no, I don't like it. It's bitter, Then you can use beans. You can have some meat. Or some people love meat. Meat person. Penang, have a paste. Coconut milk seasoning. But you don't need to add any vegetable. It's possible to. Just the sauce and the meat. Garnish with the red pepper on top. Or cut papilam, like a chiffonade on top, If you don't have this red pepper, you can use, like a sweet pepper, like a, bell pepper, just for the colors, for the eyes color and texture. Okay, how long we know that this one is cooked? Your eggplant, it will turn transparent, it will be clear and a bit softer. But actually, this side that you cut this chunk, it will take about 4 or 5 minutes.
All right.
Some people like it soft, but myself, I like the taste still crunchy. Like actually, this eggplant, you can even eat them raw. Now seasoning, fish sauce.